Go.
Hi, I'm Bridget, and I'll be singing Rolling in the Deep by Adele. Okay. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch, and it's bringing me out the dark. Finally, I can see you crystal clear, but go ahead and sell me out and I'll leave your ship there. See how I you at every piece of you. Don't underestimate the things that I will do. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch, and it's bringing me out the dark. The stars of your love that remind me of us and keep me thinking that we almost had it all. The stars of your love, they keep me breathless. I can't help feeling we could have had it all. Rolling in the deep, you had my heart inside of your head, and you played it to the beat